where the stakeholders are. What's your response to that? The feeling that you are not special when it comes to you MPs with regards to your political party belongings, that you are part of the failure, and you can't delink yourself from the problems that is seen as perpetuated by Parliament?
First of all, I would like to say that yes, collectively as an institution, Parliament or National Assembly has failed Kenyans in terms of oversighting and ensuring that the budget process is aligned to people's needs and the objectives by which would help propel the country towards economic. I also listen to ask that supposed to lost. Much as I agree with that, I want also that the way our audit process is structured, and as the chair of the Public Committee have now instructed the auditor's report, we want to move away from the financial rights and we will be unearthing or trying to bring out corruption issues. I am racing against time to ensure that by the end of this calendar year, we are up to date with the financial audit so that we move the Office of the Auditor General away from compliance. So the financial audit is largely on compliance. Look, these accounting officers are interacting with the council to be that department for less than 3 weeks. We'll see move away from and emphasize now on value for money, do the forensic audit, and do special audits. I recently, through my committee, asked the General to do special audit on 3 areas: fertilizers subsidy, use of Article 223, and the stadia. If you look at the reports that have come from the auditor's office, damning, serious indictment. But these other financial audits are too general. Okay. Matters that you cannot really pin accounting officers down with. So we are moving towards that direction.
Thank you.
And on the issue of MPs winning their seats through corruption, I agree. But let me also ask Kenyans, and they are watching me. When you voted for Kenya Kwanza, lying to you about bottom-up, did you understand what they meant by bottom-up, by hustler? I will tell you, even Kenya Kwanza politicians didn't understand what hustler was. You would see CEOs saying, I'm hustling. You would find those who are looking for jobs saying we are hustlers. So who was an hustler? And then to the bottom up, Alice Wahome appeared before Kenyans on the TV and could not define bottom up. She's now the cabinet secretary implementing bottom up. How do you expect her to implement something that she didn't understand? And Kenyans voted for them. A good number of Kenyans voted for Kenya Kwanza, even though these people did not even understand what they were talking about. Then you come and blame those who are elected today. You are the ones who elected these people. You elect criminals, and then you come and complain why those criminals are carrying out criminal activities.
Asante sana. Tunashukuru Mheshimiwa Mchomba yuko hapa, na wakati huu alikuwa anazungumza sauti tofauti, saizi ni sauti tofauti. Tupe maoni